About TV coverage of Supreme Court arguments. As you know, C-SPAN has asked the U.S. Supreme Court to allow our cameras into the court in a couple of months when it takes up the president's health care law. Well, there's a new poll that has come out on this issue of TV coverage of the Supreme Court, and joining us downstairs in our newsroom here at C-SPAN is Rob Green, who is a principal at Penn, Schoen and Berland Associates. Mr. Green, thank you for joining us. We want to hear about the results of the poll here. You asked about public opinion on the Supreme Court allowing Supreme Court proceedings. We'll show our first slide, and then you can talk about it. So in this poll, you're asking, in part, should the court allow TV coverage of its own proceedings? Strongly or somewhat agree? 64% at this point versus 36%. Give us some more insight.
Well, the first insight that I'd like to share is this number is holding very steady at nearly 2/3 of all American voters. We've looked at this 4 times in the last 3 years, and support remains at nearly 2/3, essentially better than 3 and 5. Nearly 2/3 of American voters support cameras in the courtroom.
So there's another slide here. You're asking, should there be an exception to the no TV rule for health care cases? Strongly or somewhat agree? 81% here to 19. Just another way of looking at this. Speak to this if you could.
I've never seen, and in any polling, including Penn, Schoen and Berland polling, I've never seen a stronger number for support for TV cameras in the courtroom. Look, this is a key finding. I mean, Gallup had a poll about a month ago, 72% support, but there's so much interest, excitement even, in learning about, how the court decides the health care reform law that was passed in the last Congress, supported by President Obama. There's so much interest in that decision that, we're seeing essentially 4 in 5 American voters want a one-time exception, and I think that's interesting. This is, if there's ever been a time on a decision that we know is one of the most important the court's ever decided in its history, if there is a time, this is the time for that one-time exception. And that's what we're seeing. I'll say one last thing about this. There's these days in polling, you see if you poll as I do, as we do on issues, political issues, I mean, I've never seen such support across, or at least recently. Democrats, Republicans, and independents alike all agree. There's 48 strongly agree, 48% of Democrats, 52% of Republicans strongly agree, 51% of independents. So, which just basically means everybody, all the same. That's strongly support. Overall support, 80% plus. Every Americans, regardless of their partisan views.
It does get a little more interesting here, Mr. Green. There's another part of the poll, and you set up the question this way. TV coverage of health care proceedings will show that the Supreme Court is either serious and constitutionally sound, 39%, but then 61% say showing this proceeding will show that the court is split, just like Congress.
Well, this question illustrates perfectly why the Supreme Court needs TV, and notice what I'm saying there. It's the institution that needs TV. Voters want TV. I'm sure to the degree that I understand what the editorial boards and the media is saying, they would like TV. But the court needs TV. The Supreme Court, as it stands now, voters, they increasingly clearly view the court as something of a partisan political body, like Congress. And it can't be in the court's interest to be viewed as like Congress. I think this is particularly true when decisions are going to be made about measures that are as controversial, no matter how the court decides, as controversial as the Health Care Affordability Act.
And you ask more broadly, as we go to the fourth point, you asked about Supreme Court job approval. In this poll that you've done, 18% say the Supreme Court is excellent or good in doing its work. 58% say it's poor or fair, and 24% say they don't know. Put that in perspective as we wrap up.
Well, the first thing to put that in perspective is that's dropped. The excellent and good job performance for the Supreme Court has dropped 11 percentage points in just 18 months. The court has not, in fact, made any particularly controversial decisions during those 18 months. I mean, they're constantly dealing with very important issues. But as I think certainly C-SPAN viewers would remember, the Citizens United decision was a good deal before June of 2010, when we last looked at these issues. What's basically happening is, and I think it's precisely because of what we were talking about a moment ago, increasingly the Supreme Court, because it is not taking charge of how it's viewed by the public. And the way to take charge of that is for us to bring cameras in the courtroom so we can see that they're serious, that they act seriously, and they think thoughtfully before they act. By not taking that step, by allowing themselves to be, in essence, interpreted indirectly, their numbers, their job performance numbers are dropping, and they're dropping sharply. I think as a pollster, as somebody who looks at these things all the time, the implications going forward, likely implications, I mean, you have to see, is when they're going to make a bunch of controversial decisions in the next few months. Healthcare is only one example. But the need for a one-time exception is to demonstrate how serious they are, how seriously, thoughtfully, and constitutionally they act. And doing that, I think demonstrating that is very important. As I said, the Supreme Court needs TV. The rest of us would like to see them. We would like cameras in the courtroom. We would like to be able to view oral arguments. But the Supreme Court really needs it.
Some new polling information from Rob Green, principal at Penn, Schoen and Berland Associates. Thanks a lot for your time and some of the insight on the poll this morning. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Also want to remind you of our Supreme Court page, where you can find out lots of information, including our letter about having cameras in the court for this historic health care argument. Go to www.cspan.org/topics/Supreme-Court. You can get lots of information there.